A winter storm is sweeping across the Rockies and high plains, dropping up to a foot of snow in mountain areas. And this system will track into the Great Lakes, bringing us a chance of blowing snow and sub-freezing temperatures today in Chicago. Let's break down what you need to know for the rest of the week. Good morning. Let's start with what's happening across the country today and over the next couple of days. We're seeing a very active winter pattern right now. If you're in parts of Colorado and Wyoming, expect some heavy snowfall today. Mountain areas could see up to a foot of snow, while lower elevations might get 3 to 6 inches. This will taper off later tonight into early Thursday morning. Moving over to the Pacific Northwest and northern Great Basin Rockies, we're seeing an expanding area of coastal rain with some wintry mix at lower elevations and snow higher up in the Cascades and northern Rockies. So if you're planning any outdoor activities or travel, make sure to check your local forecasts for the latest updates. Meanwhile, down south along the Gulf Coast, there's a chance of moderate to heavy rainfall over the next couple of days, with an isolated risk for flash flooding. Keep an eye on that if you're in those areas. And up north, we're expecting some very cold temperatures as a surge of Arctic air moves through the Midwest Thursday morning. This could challenge low temperature records, so bundle up. Looking ahead to the weekend and into next week, below to well below normal temperatures will continue for much of the country east of the Rockies, while the West Coast sees near or above normal temperatures. There's also a chance of heavier rains in parts of the southeast and some snow chances in the northern tier states as clipper systems move through. Now, let's look ahead over the next few days. We're looking at a pattern that will keep things pretty chilly across much of the country. A big trough in the upper atmosphere will be hanging around over the central and eastern parts of the U.S., bringing with it cooler temperatures from the plains all the way out to the East Coast. Meanwhile, folks on the West Coast can expect warmer conditions as a high-pressure system sits overhead. As we move into Saturday and beyond, there's going to be some interesting weather developing across different regions. In the southeast, a frontal boundary will continue to bring in periods of heavier rain, so if you're planning any outdoor activities, make sure to keep an umbrella handy. Up north, a couple of clipper systems are expected to move through, which means that there's going to be a chance for some snow, particularly in the northern tier states. And as we head into early next week, watch out for some heavy rains along the coast and possibly some strong winds inland from the Pacific Northwest through the northern Rockies. That's the extended outlook. Check back for updates as we get closer. Remember, weather can change quickly, so stay tuned to your local forecasts for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's focus on our area in the Ohio Valley. Let's start with what you're seeing today and over the next couple of days. In Illinois, Chicago is dealing with patchy blowing snow before 9 a.m., followed by a chance of snow between 11 and 4 p.m. The high will be around 32 degrees, but it'll feel like winter as temperatures drop to about 29 in the afternoon with winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, expect mostly cloudy skies with a low around 9 degrees. Wind chill values could dip as low as -7. Over in Aurora, you're also dealing with patchy blowing snow before a.m., then a chance of snow between 11 and 4 p.m. The high will be near 32, but temperatures will fall to about 26 by the afternoon. Tonight, it'll be partly cloudy with a low around 0 degrees. Wind chill values could drop as low as -13. And in Naperville, you're looking at similar conditions, patchy blowing snow before 9 a.m., then a chance of snow between 11 and 4 p.m. The high will be near 31, with temperatures falling to around 27 by the afternoon. Tonight, it'll be partly cloudy with a low around 1 degree, and wind chill values could drop as low as -12. Moving over to Indiana. Indianapolis is dealing with patchy fog and isolated snow showers before 10 a.m. The high will be near 32 degrees, but tonight you're looking at a chance of snow after 7 p.m. It'll be cloudy with a low around 17, rising to about 22 overnight. Fort Wayne has some patchy fog before 9 a.m., and then it's mostly cloudy for the day with a high near 30. Tonight there's a chance of snow between 7 p.m. and 1 a.m., and you'll have a low around 15, rising to about 20 overnight. Evansville is currently out of forecast range, so we don't have any specific details for them today in Kentucky. Louisville will be mostly sunny with a high near 35 degrees. Tonight, scattered snow showers are expected after 2 a.m., and it'll be mostly cloudy with a low around 25. Lexington has partly sunny skies today with a high near 33 degrees. Tonight, you're looking at partly cloudy skies with a low around 24. And in Bowling Green, there's patchy freezing fog before 8 a.m. But it'll be mostly sunny with a high near 39 degrees. Tonight, expect patchy fog between midnight and 4 a.m. And it'll be mostly cloudy with a low around 25. Ohio is seeing some varied conditions. In Columbus, you're looking at partly sunny skies today with a high near 32 degrees. Tonight there's snow expected after 1 a.m., so it'll be mostly cloudy with a low around 25, and the chance of precipitation is quite high at 80%. Cleveland had a mostly cloudy night with a low around 23 degrees. Wednesday will bring a slight chance of snow showers after 5 p.m., with mostly cloudy skies and a high near 34 degrees. And in Cincinnati, you're looking at mostly sunny skies today with a high near 35 degrees. Tonight there's a chance of snow likely after 1 a.m., so it'll be mostly cloudy with a low around 25. In Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh will have partly sunny skies today with a high near 34 degrees. Tonight you're looking at a chance of snow after 3 a.m., and it'll be mostly cloudy with a low around 25. Philadelphia had clear overnight conditions with a low around 29 degrees. Wednesday looks to be sunny with a high near 40 degrees. And in Allentown, the night was mostly clear with a low around 24 degrees. Wednesday will bring sunny skies and a high near 37 degrees. In Tennessee, Nashville is cloudy today with a high near 45 degrees, but temperatures will drop to about 40 by the afternoon. Tonight, it'll be cloudy again with a low around 28 degrees. Memphis has partly sunny skies today with a high near 43 degrees, and that's your forecast for today from Weatherby. Stay weather aware and have a great day.